you're a student watching this, I'm about to completely blow your mind and give you 18 lakh worth of professional grade developer tools for free. And the crazy part is, and the crazier part is actually that I've created a completely free resource that is gonna blow your mind and help you work with all these professional tools. More on that a little bit later. But first, let me blow your mind. Namaste everyone. My name is Preetham, aka the Conscious Coder. I'm currently studying my second year CSE at GRIT College. I'm also documenting my journey of building meaningful tech while staying grounded in Krishna consciousness. And also, I've been working on my business and copywriting while also building websites with the help of AI, participating in hackathons, and also I want to build a mental health app one day. So yeah, the tools that I'm about to discuss with you guys today have been an absolute game changer for me personally. So yeah, the GitHub Student Developer Pack. Okay. So what is this GitHub Student Developer Pack? Well, GitHub has partnered with 100 different companies to offer students premium level tools and software which would normally cost the average developer anywhere between 15 to 18 lakh rupees. I'm talking about Indian rupees for absolutely free. We're talking about AI coding assistance. We're talking about website hosting. We're talking about database hosting. We're talking about cloud services. We're talking about mobile development. We're talking about free courses from multiple companies. So yeah, uh, and this is literally everything you need to build your own real projects along with your own tech business if you want. So this is also specially curated for students like us who are serious about building their careers in tech. Okay, so you're in the first year of your college and you're wondering, okay, so you're in the first year of your college and you just heard about this GitHub Student Developer Pack. Great. I'm gonna show you guys what you need to keep in mind while you're browsing through this pack. So yeah, the first thing you get is the experiences section. So experiences is nothing but a bunch of experiences, like say there's data science, and in data science there's currently these many things, XYZ things are needed to complete to be a professional in that. So that's gonna be your experience, correct? So yeah, that's basically what this whole section is: introduction to Copilot, introduction to, if you don't understand any of this, it's fine. It's honestly fine. It's no problem. So yeah, you'll get the hang of it pretty soon. Don't worry. So yeah, AI prompting and technical writing, that's an experience. Career readiness, introduction to web development, hackathon in the cloud, uh, aspiring creators, all that. So yeah, and after your experiences section, you get all offers. So basically, the experiences section was talking about uh, few experiences which have the company offers, individual company offers in a single basket. And this normal all offers is gonna be your more modular approach. It gives you every single offer which a company is giving. So you can just see whatever you need and you can just choose it. Correct. So yeah, if you're a student and you're not using Notion currently, you need to get on it. So you just get avail to this and you go here. You click on this link to get the benefit of student Notion. And there are also courses you guys can go through. Codex is an amazing course platform where you have interactive HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, a lot. Right? This is not a paid promotion, by the way. You get 6 months free worth of uh, Codex Club Premium for free, as you guys can see here. And Educative, it's also another courses website. So this also offers you 6 months of free access to over 70 practical courses covering topics like web development, Python, Java, and machine learning. And yeah, there's also Data Camp where it's amazing. It gives you 3 months of free access while you sign up for a data subscription with your GitHub student account. And yeah, you guys, MongoDB, you have again Notion template collection for especially for students. GitHub pages, Permadone, Terminus, one password for your API keys, which are sensitive informations. And yeah, that's you guys can go through this. It's a lot to go through in a single video. So yeah, let's get into to the next part of the video. So the next part of the video is gonna be all about getting you signed up. So let's get it started. So yeah, you're gonna get on this page and you just click on this green button over here, sign up for Student Developer Pack, obvious thing, and it's gonna take you uh, to your own GitHub account settings. As you guys can see here, I have created another account just for the demonstration purposes. So you'll be led to this page and then click on Start an application. Once you click on this, you're gonna be hit with this. Just select what you need and select what your specifications are. And as you guys can see, the name of my school, my college, it is shown that I'm gonna need yeah, we require applications of this college to use school issued email IDs to apply. Since I've already used my student email ID, I cannot be using it again. So here's what you need to know. So if your college gives a student email, what you do is you open a GitHub account with your with your personal mail ID, and you add your so you have your primary email address and you have a secondary email address in your GitHub account. The primary email address should be your personal email address, and the secondary is your college email address. So make sure it is in this order and not the other way around, because if your I believe your college mail ID will expire after a few years, depends on the college. So yeah, so you make sure the primary one is your personal mail ID and the secondary one is you're gonna be your college mail ID. So once you do that, it's gonna automatically give you. If not, if there are any errors, it's gonna ask if your college does not provide you with an email ID. I believe that what I believe it's there in the documents. You should enroll with your uh, what is it, student ID card, which is gonna look like this. As you guys can see, I've blurred out a few parts, my handsome face and my full name, and also this. So yeah, that's the gist of the process. And also, you need to fill this one information, crucial information, your payment information. Oh, relax, it's not your credit card information. It's just your first name, last name, your address, your city, the country and region. And as you guys can see, there are no stars in here. So yeah, these guys are not scamming you. They're not after your credit card information. So just fill your address as your payment information, although it's not your payment information, but yeah, still just do it. And after a few days, you're uh, you're gonna be having access to this amazing pack. Let me tell you why all this even matters, even beyond just the free tools. As someone that is building his own copywriting business, that wants to launch his own app, uh, and use tools that is literally used by successful businesses and companies and individual freelancers who have access to all these premium tools, and giving me that same access to those tools, it's it gives me a foundation where I can start off from and give me this edge from the competitors. So it literally levels the playing field. Keeping aside just saving money, this fundamentally changes your starting point as a developer who either wants to start, who wants to build some projects or wants to learn things. Even if he wants to start their own business ventures, it's a game changer. Okay. So before you go, I've created something special. I've spent hours curating one of the most comprehensive student developer pack resources that you'll find online. This includes everything which is said in the video plus some bonus content. As you guys can see, it contains some of these topics which you can see on the screen. And I'm gonna end this video off with if you found any value in this video, if you found this helpful, make sure you like the video. It's gonna help me and help the algorithm of YouTube, and make sure you also subscribe to help support the channel. And when once you get this GitHub Student Developer Pack approved, once you get your GitHub Pro, make sure you guys comment approved, and just also let me know what you guys think about the pack. Should I make any additions? Should I like give me some feedback also on it. And this is Preetham Rao. I'm documenting my journey of running my business, of balancing my studies at GRIT while also building in tech and uploading videos. So yeah, one step at a time. And that is going to be it for today's video. Hare Krishna.